Buying Ethereum on MetaMask with PayPal is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you guys can buy Ethereum on MetaMask with PayPal. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm going to Google and I'm going to search for MetaMask. Now I'll go to their website, which is metamask.io. Now here you have to download it. After downloading it, you simply have to click on view portfolio and it will take you to the dashboard of your MetaMask. Now here you simply have to click on this buy. It will take you to the buy section, and as you guys can see, it can help let you buy whatever the thing that you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy Ethereum, so you have to select Ethereum, and after that you have to click on continue with the MetaMask. Now here, as you guys can see, it wants you to pay using debit or credit card. Now you have to have a PayPal's debit or credit card in order to do that. If you don't have that, you cannot do that. It might be available in other regions. The PayPal might be available in other regions, but in my region, the PayPal is not available. So it is not giving me the option for that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.